First, let's understand its structure. This red one is its flat body. Flat body. The one above is the pressure handle, also called handle. This is the nozzle. Hold it and aim the nozzle at the base of the flame. Okay, here is a latch. This latch is used to lock the pressure handle. If there is no such latch, as soon as you pinch it, it will spray powder. So we need to unplug this plug before using it. But there are two prerequisites for pulling this plug out. The first one is what everyone will see. There is a red safety pin next to this. This red insurance pin. If you don't pull it out, it will be very difficult to pull out this latch. Can it be pulled out? Okay, but be more forceful. Pick hard. You can break this red insurance pin. It can also be pulled out. Another way is, first take off the red insurance. Pull it out gently. Pull this off. Then this will be easy to pull out. Do you understand? Everyone, understand. This is A. What is the second one? The second one is, since this latch is used to hold the pressure target. Then when you pull out the plug, be sure to release the pressure target first. If my hand were to squeeze this target, this latch cannot be pulled out. Do you understand? Everyone, come and try it. You pull it out. Can't pull it out. Can't pull it out. Because between this handle and this pressing target, if the latch is stuck, it can't be pulled out. So when we pull the plug, or put it on the ground, you can pull it out gently like this, or just hug it. Holding it this way, you can easily pull it out. Or carry it like this. You can easily pull it out without pinching the top. Can you hear me? Understand? So this is a matter of details. Otherwise, you won't be able to pull out the pressure target if you hold it. But people's habits are. We found a fire. Nervous. When we brought the fire extinguisher, you definitely hold it like this, right or wrong? Yeah. No one would mention it like this, right? On fire. It won't be like this, right? We'll hold it. So when you pull it out, you must loosen the pressure target first. This is a detail. Okay, unplug. Aim at the base of the flame. Keep a distance of about 2 meters. Press this plate. Just strafing will put out the fire. Do you understand, everyone? But there are two premises here. The first one is indoors. If it is indoors, for example, in our work area, there's a fire indoors. Before we go put out the fire, we must first ensure our own safety. So the first principle is called the peripheral fire extinguishing principle. Can you understand what the principle of peripheral fire extinguishing is? Everyone. That is, you first have to back toward an exit. Behind your ass is the door. If I can destroy it, I will destroy it. If you can't kill me, you'll run away. You can't box yourself into a corner. This is the exit. Put out the fire like this here. What if you can't destroy it? The fire is big. I'm trapped inside. Do you understand? Everyone can understand this first point. The principle of perimeter fire fighting should be adhered to indoors. The second point is outdoors. For example, here, what principle should we adhere to outdoors? Advantage, upwind position, or the principle of crosswind fire fighting. What is upwind position? It's just that if the wind blows towards me, I squirt like this. What is possible? Powder sprayed out. Blow all over my face. It can't put out the fire. Do you understand? Everyone, if the wind blows this way, I'm going to put out the fire here. Or on the side. It can maintain the sprayed powder. Able to reach this fire extinguishing point, rather than blowing it into your face. Use of fire extinguisher. We should also pay attention to a few principles. First one, called Chukishiawa. Response process. Very important. That is to say, at your workstation, if you find that next to your workstation, where is the fire? What do you do first? Everyone remember, fire broke out. The first thing to do is to shout loudly. Want to shout out. Can you understand? It's on fire. It's on fire. You have to shout out and sound the alarm. Can you understand? This is the first. Send an alarm, send an early warning. Shouting loudly at the scene. This is the first and most important. Second, when you go to get the fire extinguisher to put out the fire, if there are people around, you have to arrange for other people to do other things. For example, we have a fire on the first floor or a fire on the second floor. We still have the third, fourth, fifth, and sixth floors, right? In addition to shouting loudly for the first time, I want to arrange for others. Come on this boy. You go and ring that alarm bell. That siren. You go and press it. In the meantime, go and clear out the people upstairs. Go call the people upstairs and run down quickly. Can you understand? The first one to shout loudly is to ring the alarm bell, and then evacuate. There are people upstairs. Evacuate immediately. Then we have to arrange people. Go call 119 and call the police. You find a fire next to your workstation. There are other people next to you. That's Xiao Shong. Hurry up and call 119 to call the police. Xiaoli, you hurry up and ring the fire alarm bell. Hurry and inform the people upstairs to evacuate. Xiao Wang, if there is someone else next to you, Xiao Wang, Xiao Shong, Xiaoli and Xiaolu can all do it. You ask him to go. Where is the fire hydrant? Go prepare the fire hydrant and come over to put out the fire. If there is anyone else, everyone, go get some more fire extinguishers and come over to help. Do you understand? Everyone, does that mean I found a fire somewhere? I stupidly took a fire extinguisher and sprayed it. You blew it out. Of course it's best if you are a hero. What should I do if you didn't spray it out? Did the whole factory burn down? Are the people upstairs in danger? Not because we are alone. This personal heroism and harm the entire factory had the people upstairs. Do you understand? Everyone. So this process is very important. A process for handling early stage fires. Be sure to follow the process. So in a moment we will do this fire extinguishing demonstration. I will also follow this process. This is a very important point. The second one is when you go to get a fire extinguisher to put out the fire. You need to know the place closest to your job. Where is the fire extinguisher? You have to think about it every day. You go out to eat, go out and stay in a hotel. You are at your home, you work in a factory, you are in the office. You need to know, if this time there's a fire around me, the place closest to me, where is the fire extinguisher? Think about it now, everyone. From where we are now, nearest place, where is the fire extinguisher? You have to think about this problem. You need to know, where is the fire extinguisher? Go and use it anytime. This is a point. Another very important point is that, when I went to get the fire extinguisher, don't be stupid. Come here with one. Where to put the fire extinguisher? Usually a few people are put there. 2. All in groups of 2. So when I went to get the fire extinguisher, must bring both of them. Bring them both up at the same time. Can you understand? Why bring 2 at the same time? Because if you only bring one over, this might be bad. Is it possible? Yes. It's possible that it can't be sprayed out. Maybe there is no pressure. Maybe the tube is loose. Look, this tube is loose. It can't spray out. There is another possibility. This is the one that has been sprayed. I'm not dead yet. There's still a little bit of fire left that hasn't been extinguished. When you run back to find the second one, has this fire started again? Everyone. So I took them both at once. I found one that doesn't work, or one is used. I am not destroyed. I can get a second one right away. Do you understand? Everyone, before using the dry noodle maker, do you want to shake it? You can shake this small one, 45 kilograms of that trolley. How do you shake? And the big red one hanging on top. How do you shake that steel plate fire extinguishing ball? You can't find. Come on, Xiao. Let's lift it up and shake it. Impossible. Current technology. The chemicals in this fire extinguisher, it won't clump. As long as it's on time. Maintenance of fire extinguishers. No need to shake it. Of course you have to be willing to shake. That's your business. This is a problem. Second question. Do you want to fight this? Is there any pressure? Are you in the green zone? No need. It's already on fire. Just take it and spray it. Squirt whenever you can. If it doesn't come out, you'll use a second one. Because when a fire breaks out, usually people are nervous. And the surrounding light is probably out of power. It may be difficult for you to read this table clearly. Do you understand? Everyone. So take it and spray it. Squirt whenever you can. If it doesn't spray, throw it away and replace it with the second one. So that's why everyone gets 2. Do you understand? Everyone. So do you want to go see it on the spot? Go look at this pressure gauge. There is no need to watch it live. Then when will we watch? Usually every month. We all have to check. Always be optimistic. These are the ones used in fire extinguishers. Basic common sense. And what we should pay attention to. Have you all learned it? Come tell me loudly. Have you all learned it? Learned.